We've learned that the Super 6 is a collection of strategies that help you better understand what you are learning. Once you're set up, the Super 6 strategies you'll use are monitor, question, make connections, predict, visualize, and summarize. Following this Techtorial, you will be able to annotate a PDF document and collect highlights in Google Docs. Now let's connect the tech needed to use the Super 6 strategies. You will need your preferred cloud app, a word processor, and a PDF viewer. In this tutorial, we are using Google Drive, Google Docs, and Read and Write for Google. You will also need a PDF version of a document. It's time to set up for success. From Google Drive, search the PDF document to be read. From the preview screen, click Open With and choose Read and Write for Google. Notice the Read and Write toolbar that appears at the top of your PDF document. Now that we're set up, let's give it a try. Monitor. Monitoring our reading helps us stop, think, and react to what's going on in our mind. While reading, remember to be aware of your thinking and to stop regularly to reflect on your thoughts. When listening, use the play and stop controls to manage the text-to-speech function. Quick tip. Use the settings gear to adjust the reading speed. Rereading difficult text or reading it more slowly can be helpful. Question. Asking questions is a great strategy for deepening your understanding of a text. When you have a question about the meaning of a word, use the dictionary feature to quickly access a definition. Have it read to you if you like. Connections. Making connections helps activate our background knowledge. Use the annotation tool to make notes of your connections. A red thumbtack will appear. Click again and a text box will pop up. Record your thoughts. Once closed, the thumbtack will mark the spot of your connection. Clicking the thumbtack will reopen your note. Predict. Predicting is a fun way to stay engaged with a text. Use the typewriter tool to log your predictions. A text box will appear. Record your prediction. Quick tip. Page margins are an ideal space for making notes as you read. Summarize. Summarizing is a great strategy to check your understanding as you read. Use the highlight features to collect main ideas and supporting details into a doc. Highlight or click on a word. The floating study skills window opens, displaying 4 highlighters. Highlight main ideas in one color and supporting details in another. Use the Collect Highlight tool to collect and sort your information. Export to Google Docs, and now you have all your main ideas and supporting details as a reference to write a summary. Visualize. Visualizing helps us better understand what we are reading by creating a picture in our mind. Use the speak icon to hear a descriptive passage of your text read to you. Close your eyes as you listen.
He himself was a very old man with shaggy white hair.
When you've got that picture in your mind, make a note using one of the annotation tools or in your Google Docs. Now that you've had a tour of these cool annotation tools, use your favorites in a way that makes sense to you. Let's review. To better understand what you read, use the Super 6 comprehension strategies. Monitor, question, make connections, predict, visualize, and summarize.